Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn about the negative form of past perfect continuous tense. So stay with me till the end. Now what is past perfect continuous negative tenses? These are used to talk about an action that was happening in the past over a period of time and had not been completed before another action took place. For example, I had not been studying for hours before the exam. Means study was not completed until the exams took place. Means the action was not completed when the exams took place. So the action was not completed. Now the structure. Structure is as similar as the past perfect continuous tense. The difference is that we have to add not. In order to convert the positive sentence into the negative sentence, we have to add not. Okay. So subject had not been ing form of the verb and then the rest of the sentences. For example, I is the subject here, had not been practicing. Practicing is the ing form of the verb practice. The piano before the concert. He hadn't been eating properly before his illness. See, hadn't. Hadn't is the short form for the had not. We can also use hadn't instead of had not. Never in the past perfect continuous tense. For example, he had never been playing guitar before the concert. Means the action means playing guitar had not happened before the concert. I had never been studying so hard before my final exams. This means that before the exams, I had never been studying so hard. Friends means the action had not been happening over a period of time before another event. For example, they had not been working on the project for 3 years. 3 months means they had not been continuing working on the project for 3 months. Negating continuous action at a particular time means the action was not happening during a specific moment in the past, at a specific moment, at a specific time, or at a specific event. For example, at 8 p.m. they had not been studying for the exam. They were watching a movie. Means they are specifying the time here. Only at 8 p.m. they were not studying. Now let's practice some sentences here. First sentence, I dash worked there long when she quit. I had not been working there long when she quit. She had not been working. He was tired anyway. It it had not been raining long when I got home. We had not been living in London for 3 years. I had not been sleeping long when there was a knock at the door. So this is how we use past perfect continuous negative tenses. Keep practicing and see you in the next lesson. Thank you.